We are here to meet Stella again. She loves to color in her pastime. Hey Stella, what are you coloring today? Aha! Some flowers in a vase. Nice. How are you planning to color this drawing? Interesting. Stella has cutouts of different shapes of colored paper that she wants to stick on her drawing. Let's help her do that. No, Stella, these shapes do not match. They are different. Not quite, Stella. These shapes are the same, but not of the same size. Correct. The yellow circle cutout is of the same shape and size as this circle, so it overlaps the circle completely. Figures that have the same shape and size are called symmetric figures. Symmetric figures overlap each other completely. No, Stella, here again the shapes are the same, but the sizes are different. Uh-oh, the shapes are not overlapping. Try rotating the shape a little, Stella. Very good, Stella. Sometimes we have to rotate symmetrical figures to make them overlap. Stella has already finished pasting cutouts on 2 of the flowers. Good going, Stella. Which flower do you think this petal belongs to? The larger one or the smaller one? The larger flower is correct, but the petal is not overlapping the outline. What should Stella do now? Did you say rotate the petal? You're absolutely correct. Now the petal overlaps its symmetric figure completely. Stella has already finished pasting cutouts on all the flowers. Now, let's start with the vase. This cutout is symmetrical with which rectangular part of the vase? The top part, the middle part, or the bottom part? The middle part is correct. This cutout is symmetrical with the rectangle in the middle part of the vase. Which rectangular part of the vase is similar with this cutout? The top part, the middle part, or the bottom part? The top part. That is correct. Now, only 2 cutouts are left, and they are of very different shapes. Can you find out which part of the vase they are symmetrical with? That was easy to find out, now that we know how to match symmetrical shapes. Nice work, Stella. This picture is looking really pretty, and thank you for helping Stella complete her masterpiece. See you next time.